Section 4.1.3 Factorisation Part 1 for Leaving Cert Maths, Higher Level and Ordinary Level. This video was produced by the UCD Math Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. Example 1. Factorise the following expression 6x squared plus 12x. So to do this, I look at my two terms and I see what can I take out from both. So what's common to both? Well, there's a 6 and a 12, so I can take out a 6 from both. And there's an x squared and an x, so I can take out an x from both as well. So if I take a 6x out of 6x squared, I'm left with an x, because 6x by x is 6x squared. And if I take a 6x away out of 12x, I'm left with a 2, because 6x by 2 is 12x. And I'm done. Difference of two squares. The numbers 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on are called perfect squares or just squares. And that's because they're all some whole numbers squared. So for example 1 is 1 squared, 4 is 2 squared, 9 is 3 squared, and so on. We come across other kinds of squares too. So for example 4x squared can be rewritten as 2x to be squared, and 9y squared is equal to 3y to be squared. So we can say 4x squared and 9y squared are also squares. Notice also if I multiply x plus y by x minus y, that becomes again splitting the bracket. X by the right bracket is x by x minus y, and then plus y by x minus y. Multiplying that out, I get x squared minus xy plus xy minus y squared. The plus xy and the minus xy cancel, so I'm left with x squared minus y squared. Or it's more usual to write this in reverse, x squared minus y squared equals x plus y times x minus y. And that's a formula we encounter quite often in maths, and it's called the difference of two squares. Example 2, factorize the following expression, 25x squared minus 16y squared. So there's a bit of a trick to doing this one, and we're going to use the difference of two squares formula. Notice how we can rewrite 25x squared as 5x to be squared, and 16y squared can become 4y to be squared. So now we've got it in the form something squared minus something else squared. So that then becomes 5x plus 4y times 5x minus 4y, and I'm done.